I took engineering from my parents. Then I was like, electrical and electronics look cool, so I'm just gonna continue with that.
I chose BTEC Engineering, coming from a background of doing it in secondary school. I've really enjoyed that. A lot of the technical aspects of maybe electrical or mechanical manufacturing really interests me.
I chose BTEC Engineering because since like a child I've always liked BTEC, and then like even though my mind changed and I started doing business, I changed my mind back to engineering because like I enjoy it a lot.
I choose to do BTEC because it's more coursework related, it suited my style, and I like doing more CAD work. My career goals is to be an architect, and engineering did give me lots of options to whether I can choose apprenticeship or university, and I don't regret choosing it.